It's holy f***, that was close. Checking Instagram profile while on the road. Wow. Kids are making a mess. Kids just started to throw flowers on the go. Some people may like it, some people may not, but they're kids. What can you do? I was standing at the traffic signal minding my own business, and suddenly this guy on NS200 does this. Why did you do that?
कौन है? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Maybe he could have noticed my GoPro. That made him do that, but not knowing what to make of it, I just kept moving on. Holy fuck, that was close. Oh my god. What the f is that guy doing? Why are there so many idiots on the road? That guy is also shocked. I mean, like, two close calls under a minute, man. That guy, that poor guy was didn't know what to think, what to say. What is this guy trying to do? Oh, checking Instagram profile while on the road. Wow. Yes, another one. Like, why guys, why can't you just put the phone? Is this guy also using his phone? Nah, he's not. So why can't, like, it's very dangerous even to create that little amount of distraction when riding the bike, guys. So it's not worth it. Like, whatever the effort he's putting in, he could have stopped by the road, stopped by the side, and talk the phone call. He's still on the phone. He's still talking to the phone. It's not worth it. So please, if any one of you guys have this kind of a habit, please guys, it's not worth it. Just try to stop the motorcycle to the side and finish talking to the phone and get back on the road. It's not worth it to risk your life for that, or that one goddamn call. He can wait. The person on the other side could wait, but it's your family. You're putting your family on the line. It's not worth it.
तो यार बस आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। अगर तुम्हें ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।